Hello, my name is Jefferson Gabriel, and now I will explain the preprocessing steps to prepare our dataset for sarcasm detection. In the first stage, we process the initial dataset to filter out comments that contain both text and emojis. First, we load this file, and then we define this function to check whether a comment includes both an emoji and any text characters. If the condition is met, the comment is saved into a new data frame called filter.gf. The result is exported into comment type.slsx, which contains comments that are potentially relevant for sarcasm detection involving emojis. In the second stage, we clean the comment text stored in previous exported files, which is comment.type.slsx. Using the clean text function, we remove empty files, extra space, etc., and ensure that all input is converted into plain, clean strings. We do not remove emojis because they are important for our sarcasm detection text. The clean dataset is saved as this file. In the final stage, we randomize the order of the comments using the df sample with frag equal to 1, which shuffles the entire dataset. This step is important to eliminate any ordering bias that might occur during training phase. The shuffle dataset is saved into this file, which is shuffletest.slsx, and ready to be used to train the BERT and BLSTM models.
Okay, my name is Kevin Pasawira, and now I will explain the BERT model for our project. First, we collect comments from TikTok, a social media platform where sarcasm is often used to express the using the comments mixed with emoji and text. For the training and validation, we use 308,000 comments for the dataset, and for the testing, we use 540 new comments for evaluation purpose. Here we got the libraries where we'll import all the library needs for our model. This is for the emoji dictionary where it will be translated into a vector. Next, we got the pre-processing emoji where we will be demojize all the emoji. Where, for example, for fire, it will be translated into current on our emoji dictionary. Next, we got the datasets for the class on our TikTok. After that, we load our datasets for the training and validation using shuffle datasets.slxs. After that, we will split our dataset into train and validation, where 80% will be used for training and 20% for validation. Each comment was manually labeled as 1 for sarcasm and 0 for non-sarcasm. For the BERT model, we use IndoBERT Tweet Transformer model, which is a pre-trained model on Indonesian tweet and social media text. Our pre-processing includes tokenizing the text using the IndoBERT Tweet tokenizer. For the emoji part, we use emoji Python library to convert emoji into descriptive text like smiling face with open mouth will be translated into Indonesian language as senyum lebar. After that, we'll calculate the class weight for the training datasets to make sure that the splitting is balanced for the sarcasm and non-sarcasm class. After that, we'll set the metrics for our evaluation purpose, including the loss, accuracy, precision, recalls, F1 score, and ROC, AOC graph. For the epochs, we use 5 epochs for the training process. The BERT model will be trained using the Adam optimizer and cross entropy loss function for 5 epochs. After training, we will save the model and tokenizer and visualize all the metrics for the training and validation per epoch using the matplotlib library. Okay, now we'll went into the testing for our BERT model. We test using 540 new comments, which will be loaded using the model and tokenizer, and went through the same cleaning and emoji embedding steps. The model will be loaded and used to predict sarcasm on our new dataset. We will measure all of it using the same metrics from the training, including accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, specificity, ROC, AUC, and loss. After all the metrics evaluate, it will also be visualized using the matplotlib and show all the metrics result from our tested dataset model tested using our tested dataset, and it will show all the answer. Next, for the BRST model will be continued by Salinas.
My name is Axelinus and I will explain the BLSTM model program. So this is a library that will be used to create a model, and this is for the load dataset. This is the emoji embedding dictionary, and the emoji is picked by most used emoji in TikTok. Next, this is the function to convert the emoji to text. So this is the example, the cat emoji. The emojis will be cat with tears of joy and have a sign on, and this function is to remove the sign. Remove this sign and translate into Indonesian word by using emoji embedding dictionary. We'll translate with ketawa sarkas in Indonesian word. Next, we have a tokenized function that will split the word. Then we'll gather to the list. Then the all tokens will gather to the list. Pet for the unknown words and pet for the noun word, and UNK for the unknown word. Then we will save the tokenize for the models can evaluate. This is a function of load fast text. We use a fast text for embedding the word in BLST model. So this is where the place to save all the tokens. This is a matrix to save the fast text embedding vector. This is a class dataset that have a init for dataset and len function for total of comment in dataset, and get item to get one comment in dataset. The collect fn function is for padding for each text for each comment in dataset have a same padding. Then we will split the dataset and will be set in data loader for train shuffle true and validation shuffle false. This is a class model, the BLSTM model. This is a layer, the layer of BLSTM model, and already called bidirectional because the bidirectional is this set of true. Then this is a evaluate function. We will evaluate with the output average, loss, accuracy, F1, precision, recall. Then we will use device CUDA or CPU. This will call the embedding matrix and load this file fast text and the word tokenize and the tokenize and call the models. Then we use BCU with logitloss function and use optimizer Adam and scheduler reduce round plateau. The training and validation have 5 epoch. The train will be same-node validation that will output the average loss for train and accuracy, F1, precision, recall. Then it have scheduler to minimize loss. Then after that we will save the model. Okay, this is for the BLSTM testing. Same before, we'll import the library that we use for testing. We will load the Word2 IDX and model that already saved in the training. Same with the train. This is the dictionary and the embedding, dataset, collect, load data, class, fast-text embedding, everything is same. The difference is only in evaluation is called the model that we download. Model that save and already have pass training phase. The model will be evaluated with new dataset comment. Then we will output the confusion matrix and all metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1, and RUC, AUC. Then we will plot the bar chart or metric. Then plot the ROC curve to see the performance of this model.